Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means the world to me, and I hope more people can learn from the video.
Hello guys, welcome to the second day of daily Python practice. And this is exercise 2, and we will take a look at what this exercise is about. Ask the user for a number depending on whether the number is even or odd, print out an appropriate message to the user. So how does an even or odd number react differently when divided by 2? So in here we need to use just in case you didn't know, there's something called modulus. I'll show you right here, which is using this symbol. So basically, it means when like a number divides by a number and it has a remainder, right? By using this modulus, it will show the remainder. For example, if it's 2 modulus 2, it will be 0 because there is no remainder. 15 modulus 4 will be 3 because 15 modulus divided by 4 is 3 with a remainder of 3. Same goes to the other one. Uh, 10 modulus 16 would be 10 because it will be divided by 16 would be 0 and a remainder of 10. Basically, it's just remainder. It just returns the remainder. So, okay. By knowing the concept, so we can start, go to your search bar, type IOE, and then, this one. Oops. Sorry. Go. Okay. File, new file. File, new file. Now let's start coding. So first we need to prompt the user to type in a number. So we could save it in a variable. Any variable name you want, like number, num, whatever. Just after that, when you print, right, you print number, print number, num. It's number. You need to do like number. Okay. Yeah. Just for demonstration purpose. So number equals to input, enter a number. In case you don't understand, you can look at the previous video. But right now, we need to pass into an int, which means an integer, and an integer is just numbers. Okay, so whatever you type in, it must be a number. If it's like a word like ABC, it won't work. Okay, so now we'll go into the logic. Okay, this is input. Next, we have process. Okay, so like what I said just now, this one using the modulus. So I think all of you should know this. When an even number divided by 2, it should be 0, okay? I mean, no remainder. So when an odd number divides by 2, there should be a remainder which is 1. 2 modulus 2 should be 0, 3 modulus 2 should be 1. So by that, we can know how does, so this is how an even or odd number react differently when divided by 2. This is what it means. So we can add another variable called maybe like remainder equals to number modulus 2. Okay, next is the um, so in here we need to use conditional, or we need to use conditions for if and else. Okay, so if the remainder, which is the remainder is equal to 0, which means it will be an even number, 2, 4, 6, 8. So print it is an even number. Okay, print is the output. So I'll write here output. Okay, next else print. Else means if it is not fitting this condition, which means the remainder is 1. 1. In this case, there will be either 1 or 0. So print it is an odd number. Okay. So I think it should work. If you want it to be shorter, you can do something like if a number divided by, yeah, you can do this is the faster way, so we don't need this fill and code. Maybe we can try this. So fn f5, and right, we need to save it, so I'll save it like here. Exercise, save. I hope there's no errors. The number 12. Okay, it works. And if I do it again, fn f5, 15. Yes, how about good? Take a look. There are still more extras. If the number is a multiple of 4, print out a different message. So in this case, there are three conditions. Either is divisible by 4, 2, or it is either it is divisible by 4, or it is an even number or odd number. So if there are three conditions, we need to use elif number. For example, elif number is 1. Then if you want to check another condition, and elif, and so and goes on and on. And the last one will be else, which is if the condition does not fit any of them at all. So we need to check if it is divisible by 4, which is the same thing using modulus 4, and it will throw out the remainder. So remainder equals to number modulus 4. Okay, so the output, we need to add another condition, but we make this a leaf. This will be the second condition. This will be the first condition. So wait, let me just type. If remainder equals to 0, it will be 4. Divisible by 4. Print it is divisible by 4. Okay, so if first you will check this. If it's not, it does not fits the case of remainder equals to 0, then you go check if it's divisible by 2. And the last one, if it does not still fit the condition, you will go here. But if it fits the first condition, then all of this won't run. Okay, I hope you get this. So okay, nice. So we'll finish the first extra first, and we'll try now. F1, F1. Okay, for example, syntax. Sorry, should be equals. Uh, equal is for when you're assigning something to a variable like number to 4. Yeah, okay, this is good. But if you are in conditional, when you are using conditions like if, when you are comparing two stuff like remainder and 0, are they the same? You must use two equal sign. Okay, let's try. Number 12 is oh, nice. Okay, so it is truly multiple. It's but wire message one as long as it is informative. Okay. Now the last extra, one number check and one number to divide. So it gives you the name of the variable, so it should be null and check. We cannot just do it randomly. For two numbers, we want to check. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we should use command. We should comment out everything. Should do it again. Oh no, actually no. Can you just do it like this? Okay. So one number to check and one number to divide by. Okay. So we need to change this one. It should be num. It should be check, which is another input by the user. So same input, enter one to be checked. Enter a number to be divided by. Yeah. Number to sorry, divide by. Okay. Wait. So after here, this is what? this is a condition, okay? So we need another condition that does not associate with this. So first, you check if it is divisible. So if num divided by a modulus check equals to 0, should tell the user, uh, tell that to the user. So we should print, should tell the user that num comma is divisible. Oh, sorry, don't forget the string, the what you call this, quotation, the quote marks, yeah, whatever. Yes, divisible by comma check. You can use plus as you want, but there won't be a space here. You will need to space it manually, but I'll use comma. Okay. Else print, sorry. Indentation is very important. This all should be aligned. Print all should be aligned. Otherwise, it won't work. This is Python. Print is not divisible. Right. Okay. Great. So if it runs into either one, the code won't stop. It will continue to check here. Either it is divisible or not. Either the modulus, the outcome is 0 or not. So these two are two different things. So there'll be two type of output. So I hope that makes sense. So let's run and hopefully there is no error. Syntax. Great. What's the Malay syntax? I think I made a very dumb mistake, but never mind, let's just run. Oh yeah, here. I forgot another bracket sign. So make sure you don't miss that. So I'll do like maybe 12 and then 4. Oops, number is not defined. Should be num. Don't forget to change that to 12 4. Number is not defined. Where is it? Oh, sorry. Number all should be number. Num. I mean num. 12. Oh, DLN. Wait, again. 5. Oh, sorry, this is here. 4. Good. It is divisible by 4, but what if it is not divisible? Fn 5. 12. 8. Okay, it is not divisible by, yeah, you just make sure is a multiple of 4. Great, so now it works, and I hope you gain some knowledge from this video, and I will see you in the next exercise, okay? Yeah, I'll see you in the next exercise, and if you have any question, leave it in a comment and I will try to explain. Thank you for watching.